Since early 1900s, leasing has evolved as a popular way of procuring assets. Several industries like airlines, retail, logistics, telecommunications, energy and media significantly rely on the leasing model for their business operations. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has notified Ind AS 116 with effect from 1st of April 2019. This standard requires the lessees to account for all leases on books by recognizing a right-of-use asset and a corresponding lease liability, with certain exceptions. Further, the lease expense affecting the P&L, by way of interest and depreciation, will typically be front-loaded and would reduce the reportable net profit during the initial years of the lease. The standard also changes the definition of a lease, which would include or exclude certain arrangements from its scope. The computation-heavy accounting is best handled using a tool, and our financial reporting advisory team has developed an automated lease tool to assist in a smooth transition to the big accounting change. Using our tool will be more efficient and effective even if you have only a handful of leases, but if you have a few hundred or thousands, it's a must-have. Here's a short demo of our answer to Ind AS 116, Grant Thornton's Lease Tool. As you open the tool, it starts with a simple menu. Once you select Data Input from the menu, the tool shows the Input module. This page allows you to enter all the possible terms of the lease arrangement and transition options under Ind AS 116. The tool allows you to manage accounting for modification and is also equipped to handle index-based variable lease rentals. Once input is completed, each lease arrangement is given a unique lease ID. The user can save input to the local database or implement a central server-based database and compute the results for financial reporting on any user-specified date, by specifying the lease ID and with a press of a button. The computation results provide for all the required financial reporting requirements, that is, value of lease liability, bifurcated into current and non-current components, value of ROU asset, depreciation and interest cost. Similar computation can be performed for several thousand leases by specifying a range of lease IDs. For each lease computation, a full amortization schedule is prepared by the tool, which can be viewed by choosing Amortization Schedule from the main menu. As an additional feature, the tool can generate 5 years of projections and also export all the amortization schedules to separate Excel files along with working formula as audit trails. Ind AS 116 is a significant change. With the first reporting round the corner, it's time you contact your accounting advisory experts and get a dipstick analysis done immediately.